Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Learn It's This is me, your teacher Aisha Ritwan. I welcome all of you, my new subscribers and my previous one. I'm very happy to see that you are watching my videos, you are liking it, you are subscribing, and it gives me a huge motivation. I would like to thank all of you and please keep subscribing, keep supporting, and also do comment as well if you like the video, and if you need any changes you can just tell me in the comment section. I would like to answer all your comments. Okay, so in the last video I have taught you about the present tense, all about the present tense, what helping verbs we use in present tense, what forms of verb like present tense, present simple, present continuous, and present perfect. Okay, I also told you what form of verb you use in the present tense. So today I am going to teach you about past tense. We will discuss past simple, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. So in this video, all about will be discussed about past tense. So let's see, this video is very helpful. Whether want to learn English or you are a student, this video is just for you. Okay. So at the end, I will also ask one question from you. So you have to tell in the comment section. Like, anyways, let's start. So past simple. Firstly, we have past simple in which we don't use any helping verb. In past simple, there is no helping verb. But when we don't use any helping verb, that time we have to use second form of verb. Okay. In past simple, we don't use any helping verb, and that time we have to use second form of verb. But if we have past simple but negative or question sentence, for example not or question sentence, that time we have to use the helping verb as did. If for the negative we will use did not, and for the question we will use only did before the subject. Okay, so when we use the helping verb did, that time we have to use first form of verb, first form of verb. And here, because I'm not using any helping verb, so that time I will use second form of verb, or you can say this as past simple. First form of verb we use that first form of verb. Okay, so it is past, and the third form is you called past. First form of verb is called base form actually. Base form. I'm writing the second name as well, so there will be no confusion. So when there is no helping verb, that time you have to use second form of verb. But when there is did as helping verb for the negative or positive, for the negative or question, we have to use first form of verb. Okay. This applies for the questions as well. Now past continuous. We you know that. Okay. Now past continuous. In the past continuous, you know that continuous means first form with ing. Just put this in your mind that whenever continuous word will come, you have to use first form with ing. And in present continuous, we are using is rm. But in past continuous, we will use was were as helping verb. Was we use with he, she, it, name, and were we use with I, we, they, you. He, she, it, name, we use was, so that's why she was walking, first form with ing. Okay. Now again we have, if we have positive, or sorry, negative or question, we will use the same helping verb, but for the negative was or were not will come, and for the question was or were same you will do it. Now past perfect, whenever this perfect word will come, that time you have to use third form of verb. Third form of verb means past participle. Okay, third form of verb is past participle. So whenever perfect word will come, that time you have to use third form. And present perfect we use has have, but past perfect we use had only. Had, just had. For the negative had not, and for the question had will come out before the subject. This is the very simple thing. Now past perfect continuous. For the continuous, I already told you that every time continuous will come, you have to use first form with ing. But okay, this is one thing, we use first form with ing. And for the perfect, we have to use has, have. We have to use has, have, and third form, I already told you. But here we cannot use third form and first form together. So first, what we will do, for the first form, we will use it because continuous. But because there are two forms together, so we will use been with that. Okay, we will use here been with that, and it will become had been. For the perfect, we will use had, and because two forms for third form and first form with ing comes together, we will use been with that. Okay, so had for the perfect and be it for using these two form, and we will choose the continuous one. So always continuous walking, whenever continuous word will come, you have to compulsory use the first form with ing. But to overcome the issue with perfect tense, we will use had been. So you have to just, for the negative, it will be had not been, and for the question, had subject and then been. Okay. So explanation, for the past simple, no helping verb is used. The main verb itself is the past form. So there will be no helping verb in the past simple. When no helping verb, you have to use second form. But for the negative and positive, for the negative and question sentence, you use did, and that time when you use did, in the first form will come, the base form will come. Past continuous, continuous means first form with ing, and because past continuous, was verb will come. Past perfect, it means had will come, and perfect, third form of verb. Past perfect continuous, continuous is coming, so first form with ing, and because past perfect, so had been will come with that. Had been, first form ing. So this is the thing for past, all about past tense. So I hope you understand. If you have still question, you can comment down. I will answer your uh, like queries. Okay, so I have a question for you. Okay, I will give you one sentence. You have to change that sentence. I will give you I am running in the playground. You have to change this one in past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. Change in past continuous tense. Okay, that's it. So I will wait for your comments. If you like the video, you have to subscribe, comment, like, and if you have any confusion, you can ask me in the comment. I will try as much as possible to answer you. Okay. So till then, wait for the next video for the future one. Okay. Have a nice day. Bye. Allah Hafiz.